So the challenges of companies that are trying to deploy generative AI in Asia. I would say Asia in general has a very strong compliance culture. The governments tend to want companies to be careful, especially when it comes to customer data or even employee data. So having a tool like a gateway that puts in the correct guardrails that protects both employees and companies from any exposure when using generative AI tools and external LLMs is a very valuable value proposition when having conversations with these clients. So where customers in Asia are in their adoption journey? That's an interesting question because it really depends on the sector and the company that's doing the deployment. We find that in general, financial services companies tend to lead the charge in terms of innovation. It's a very competitive market. Now, where are they in deployment? You'll find there's lots of pilots focused on customer service and also focused on internal employee services, things like HR or sales. Some other industries are maybe lagging slightly behind, things like medical services or government services. And again, it goes back to that issue of compliance and the risk aversion, especially when sharing customer data. So in general, the market is very enthusiastic about AI. There is a resource crunch all over Asia. And because of that, it's a very appealing value proposition. It's a very competitive market. But at the same time, there's also a bit of caution in terms of how to use those tools and not wanting to share too much data internationally or globally.